This adorable little Osprey travel backpack is small enough to fit under the seat on an airline, but it expands up to 32 liters if you need room for longer trips. In the smaller version, the Osprey Daylite is a 26-liter pack. It measures 17 long by 13 wide, and the specs say 6, but the way I have it packed out here, it's about 8 inches deep. And then if you need more room, there's an expandable zipper running along the outside. It increases the capacity on this front compartment 6 liters, making this a 32-liter pack, which makes the Osprey Daylite Expandable a great versatile little travel backpack that I picked up on the Osprey website for $100. This video will be an overview on the features of the Daylite, and then because it's such a cool little bag, I'll do a separate video that has a packing demo to show you how much this bag can hold. Osprey always uses decent materials in their packs. This thing is made out of a 300 denier polyester on the front, and then a thicker 600 denier on the back and sides. They're both coated with a DWR water-resistant coating. These are medium-sized locking number 8 YKK zips on the main and the laptop compartment, and then the rest are number 5s. The Daylite has 3 carry handles. There's thinner ones here on the back and the bottom, and then a thicker padded carry handle on the top. It also has 2 side water bottle pockets, front organizational pouch, this luggage pass-through sleeve, non-stowable backpack straps, and then this front little pocket sleeve. The exterior organizational pocket is kind of a hybrid between a smaller top pocket and then a larger front organizational pocket. It only goes about halfway down the length of the pack, but it has some decent volume. And I think this is a great feature because you can fit a decent amount of stuff in here, but your gear is just gonna sit right here on top where you can get and not float to the bottom of the pack. There's some meshy stretch dividers in here that are good for chargers and battery pack, as well as 3 pen slots and a little key leash. This front sleeve pocket is great for storing a windbreaker or a light jacket. However, I think they could have made this more functional, maybe making this out of a stretchy material or having a little bungee cord on top here to help secure your gear. These water bottle pockets are made out of this stretchy elastic material on top with the polyester bottom for protection. They're good for holding slimmer water bottles, hold it very securely, things not falling out. However, they are a little bit small. You can technically fit a 1 liter Nalgene in there, but it's really tight and it's really stressing out this pocket. Osprey managed to give the Daylite a decent carry system without making it too bulky. These shoulder straps have a relatively thin width, but they have some great padding and air ventilation. The front is this dense foam with these perforated holes in it, while the back is a thinner hexagonal foam grid. They're both covered in a mesh fabric, and you can actually see right through the straps. This back padding is this dense foam with these air ventilation holes punched in it. It's ridged, which you can kind of see on the camera there. It's also covered in mesh. All in all, this backpack has great padding and great air ventilation, very comfortable for a pack of this size. However, I think they missed the opportunity to make these straps stowable. This back panel is already separate, making it work as a luggage pass-through sleeve. If they had maybe put a zipper on the bottom of this sleeve and made these backpack straps detachable, then you could easily stow them away. And while the outside of this pack is awesome, the inside is what really makes this bag great for travel. It is a full clamshell style opening with 2 large compartments. This main side over here is set up like a little mini suitcase with this tie-down strap. While the other side has this zipper divider and this large mesh pocket. And then you can see in unexpanded mode, this front compartment here is only a few inches deep. But this expansion zipper, you can see it runs around the outside of only this front pocket, so that doubles the capacity on this thing, making it almost as wide as the main compartment. And the final thing in the main compartment is the laptop sleeve. It's large, this 15.5-inch dell, easily fits in there, thin padding on the front, it has a thicker padding on the back, as well as about a 2-inch false bottom. And the great thing about this sleeve is you can get to it through this lockable zipper on the outside of the pack. It gives you access to the sleeve right in the main compartment. I love this setup because if you don't carry a laptop, this hardly takes up any room in your pack, and you can use this sleeve for a tablet, notebook, something else. But if you do carry a laptop, then it's gonna be well padded and easily accessible. My favorite things about the Daylite 26+6, it has a great design. I love the personal item size while also being expandable, and this thing comes in at a great price. It's small, but it makes a great use of space. It's super easy to pack, and it holds way more than you think it would. And then you can expand this top pocket out for longer trips if you need more room. This pack uses great materials, hardware, it has great backpack straps, and at only $100, I think this thing's a bargain. My biggest con in this pack is just the general shape. It's a little blocky, kind of just like a big square rectangle, which is what happens when you try to maximize interior volume. The water bottle pockets are a little slim, but they're kind of limited by the width of the bag where they can sew it into the seams. And then I think they could have made this front sleeve a little more functional with some sort of bungee, stretchy material or some shock cords here on the top. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Osprey Daylite Expandable 26.2 Travel Backpack. I have some more Osprey bags coming up from their newest lineup, including 2 from their Heritage collection, so hope you stick around for those, and thanks for watching.